Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on how to build Elizabeth Afton. You probably might know her by now. Or you just wanna learn how to build something interesting. Either way, I'm willing to help out. So I'm going to explain each of the blocks like I did with Dave. So, the yellow is for her luscious golden hair. Green lime block for her green eyes. White for her pupils. Or well, her eye, the white part of her eyes. Pink for her, shorts. And her bow tie. Grey concrete for her shoes and her little buttons. Light blue concrete for her little girly skirt. And white terracotta for the color of her body. So I'm gonna teach you how to make her shoes all the way to a little cute girly bow tie. So we'll start with her right shoe. It's 7 blocks wide compared to William and Dave. Like that. And we're gonna go up by 3. And now we're gonna do the other shoe, which is gonna poke out of this. I would recommend to count the corner of her left shoe, or right shoe, and go by 7. Like that. Make sure it is 7 blocks. Now we're gonna go up by 3 here. And fill in her little left girly shoe. Now we're gonna do her little legs. Believe we go on by 1. Believe it might be 3 blocks. Now we're gonna do the same with her other foot. It's 2 blocks high, 3 blocks wide. We're gonna put her other leg to match the same size as the other one. And that's when we'll go to her golly skirt that I had mentioned. And we go over here like that. 1 block wide. 3 blocks high over here. Over here, we are gonna do 7 blocks high, like her shoes. Make sure it is. Like that. Then we're going to do a little stick out right here. And we're going to go by 4. Like that. Fill it in. Make sure you don't leave a little corner of the skirt with a hole in it. Make sure it's all filled to the brim. Now we're going to do a little short, I believe. Now we're gonna go by 2 here, I think. Yes, like that. Maybe 3, because there's a little poke out. Yes, I think that might be good. Now we're going like that. And then now we're gonna go up by 3. Gonna go up by 3 here too. And fill that up while you're at it anyways. Now, oh, actually, it's 4, sorry. Now we're gonna fill this in like so. Maybe 5 blocks. Same with this other side, 5 blocks here too. Now we're gonna go up by 4. Same with the other side. 4. Fill it in. Because we don't want her to be too empty like her father. You can admire it for a few more minutes before you continue on making it. 3 more blocks to closer to her neck area. Then we go 3 again here. Make sure it's 3 on both sides. Now we can do her buttons. So her neck will probably be right here. So we want to go on down by like that. And we go a little to your right. Make sure it's 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. Then we go on down here. Do the same with the lower button. Then let's move on to our arms before we do her face. May do it like that. 4 blocks wide. Same with the other side. Fill that in here too. 3 blocks down for this side. Same with the other one. 3 blocks. 3 blocks down for that side. Now we do a little poke out, and we go 5 blocks down. Like that. 3 blocks wide for her little hands. We do the same over here. 5 blocks down. 3 blocks wide. Seems like I accidentally made her waist smaller than I thought it was. Oh well. Make it a little bigger. Readjust everything that you had done. Sorry. Readjust our little buttons. Like that. Now let's redo her other arm again. Another steps, 3. Down by 5. And 3 blocks wide. Like that. Make sure it is correct. Now we'll move on to her face. We are gonna do it. Her neck is 4 blocks wide. Now we're gonna do her chin area. It's gonna have to match up to the bottom over here. 2 blocks. Up by 1. 2 blocks again. Cut the corners. Oh, cut the corners like that. But make sure you did the blocks afterwards, so you don't have to worry about that again. Like I did. Now we're gonna go up by 7. And do the same with the other side. Like that. Now we can move on to hair. Do it. Or it should go out by 2. But it should be 6 overall. Like that. Now on the other side it should be 8. Like, leaving a little corner. Like that. Then we will go up by 1. Then we go up by 4. Like that. Go by 3. Up by 2. Go over by 3. And that's where we do a little bow tie. But for now we'll do this side. Go up by 4. We will go oval. Oh, I guess this is where we'll start our bow tie then. We'll go down. I want to make sure it's 4 blocks. Poking out a little bit. 2 blocks wide. Go a little corner right here. Make sure it's 3. Do a little dollop here again. And do the other side of the little golly bow tie that she has. And fill this in. And do the same over here. Isn't that cute? Now we'll fill her in. Like that. Now let's do her eyes before we move on to the rest of her hair. Her eye would start right here. We go around to leave this block empty and fill it in like so. Like that. 4 blocks in every direction though. Like this. Now we move on to other eye. Even 1 gap. Do the same you did with the other eye. Fill it in. And now we fill in her face. Like that. Oh, don't make her a unicorn at that as well. Now we go on by 5. Like this. And we go by 2. And we go down by 6, or all the way down. Like that. And we fill it in. Now we go probably like 2 down. Fill it in with 7 blocks down, or all the way down, like that. And there's Elizabeth. Look at her. She's such a good girl. Now, I'll see you on the next one. And I hope you enjoy it.